Hi guys, welcome back. I've got here today the Apple Watch SE. Sorry the lighting's not brilliant, but I've just got this delivered a couple of days ago. I've not had a chance to actually set it up, so I'm going to do an unboxing, and from what I understand it's quite easy to set up now, so hopefully it will be. And like I said in my last video, I used to be on Android, switching over to Apple, so this is the SE and it will be replacing my Samsung Gear Frontier S3, whatever it's called. But I've had this a few years now, and I do actually have this paired up with my 12 Pro, but as well as it works, it doesn't pick up everything, so I thought just make the last piece of the puzzle and get this in. So let's unbox it. Clean up afterwards. So it's got this funky case which kind of just unwraps itself, and then you've got two bits inside. So you got the watch and you got the watch bands, and that is the actual outer box. So I'll leave that to one side for now and check this out. So they have these little pull tab things. It just slides out. So you've got the longer band and slightly shorter one, but the other half of it is the same shape, so these will just click in. I've got thicker wrists, so I will be using the longer ones anyway. Okay, obviously I never took that out properly. Leave that one in there. So according to this, you just should be able to slide them in and they should click into place, and then this piece here should just click into the back, and hopefully everything just holds itself where it should be. So let's get the other box open. So you have like the legal side of things in different languages, which everybody reads. Okay, this one doesn't seem to have any second seals on it, but it's typical Apple. There you go. So you have your watch itself, which is actually quite nice. Don't know if there's any power in it. I'll hold it in. No, there's no power on it. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to charge it up, so unfortunately I won't be videoing the actual setup of it. So this is just an unboxing now. So Apple California, all the instructions on how to connect the charging cables, everything, all that paperwork there. Again, Apple now doing the thing where you don't get a charging brick, you only get the data cables and charging pads or coils or whatever you want to call it in the boxes. So this when you could get the damn thing out. Wow, it's really awkward. Ah. No, I'm an idiot. Okay, so this is the again, Apple being Apple, USB Type A. They got, it's crazy because this is an Apple SE, and we've got USB-C on the iPad Pro. You got USB-C to Lightning port on the iPad Pro 12 phone, and on the watch you got USB-A. I understand like they're gonna go portless or whatever they're gonna try to do, but in the meantime they should have just put them all to USB-C by now. It's just pathetic that you gotta pay top dollar and you're still getting like these old peripherals. This does need charging up, so I can't show the actual setup process, but just to let you know, like the magnet attachment on the back of this is actually quite strong, so that's not coming off anywhere. So that's actually quite nice, because on the Samsung Gear it just sits into a cradle. There's not really a strong magnet or anything. That I actually do like. That's a lot better, I find. Actually, while we're here, let's try and put these in. So yeah, they just clip straight in, and try and get this so the light's on it properly. Hopefully you can see that because it is all black, but you just slide it straight in and it clicks in, and it looks nice. I don't know if it looks any better than the Samsung one, to be honest. I know I will miss the dial on the Samsung one, but I'm sure this has like all of its perks as well. And like I said, I've been an Android user for like 10 odd years now, and I'm going over to everything Apple. So yeah, there's a couple of the items I already miss, like the live wallpapers. You don't get those on the Apple phone. There is a way of putting them on, but then you still have to hold the screen to activate those live wallpapers. On Samsungs, they're just there constantly. So I'm going to get this charged up and set up, but yeah, that's the unboxing of the the Apple Watch SE. I know these videos ain't very well put together because it's only the second one that I've shot and I'm just learning as I go along, but please give it a like, subscribe, all that stuff, because it's the only way to make the channel grow and only way to make this worthwhile. But yes, wish you all a Merry Christmas and hopefully a much happier New Year than the one that we've had. Catch you guys later. Take care. All the best.